wanted to use an example of connecting to the Schema registry using OAuth. So we're going to use the same Schema project here, as well as the client.properties.schema file. I'm going to comment out here the bearer auth credentials source user info. So we're no longer going to use the user info. We're going to use custom instead. And then I'm going to have to specify the provider. So the provider here is the OAuth credential provider. And then I'm going to comment out the basic auth user info. That's no longer needed. Now, I don't have a reference to my JSON file here for my OAuth2. Instead, it's going to use the existing one, the SASL JAS config that I've configured up here. And it's going to use this credentials URL. Because I didn't specify the tenant anywhere, where it's going to find the schema registry as I did here with the basic, or the user info version of the basic auth credential source. I'm going to have to specify it here as a tenant up in the SASL JAS config. Let's go ahead and start the producer with this configuration. Here we're able to connect to the schema registry using OAuth for our producer. And then let me also show you the consumer working. And here we were able to consume the 10 messages while connecting to the schema registry using OAuth2.